Good evening, students. Welcome to grade 9 English. Today we'll discuss the poem A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. Before getting into the poem, we'll know about our poet. So he is our poet William Wordsworth. He was born on April 7, 1770. He was an English romantic poet. This poem was written by him, which was dedicated to his lady love. So the best known works of Wordsworth are as follows. They are lyrical ballads, the prelude, I wandered lonely as a cloud, an essay upon epitaphs, etc. This is your prescribed poem. So before getting into the poem, what does the word slumber mean? The title is as A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal. What do you mean by slumber? Slumber means sleep. Here in this poem, slumber means permanent sleep, everlasting sleep, which is death. Death of poet's beloved. So before getting into the explanation part, I'll read the poem for you once. A slumber did my spirit seal. I had no human fears. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly years. No motion has she now, no force. She neither hears nor sees. Rolled round in earth's diurnal course with rocks and stones and trees. Written by William Wordsworth. So this is a poem about poet's deep love for his beloved and his reaction to her sudden death. He thought that Lucy would live forever, whereas Lucy had passed away in her young age. Okay, the first stanza reveals that the poet's innocent unawareness about the fact that one day Lucy too would die. Okay, every human being in this world, when they are emerging out from the mother's womb, one day they have to face their death. So he did not understand or he did not accept that Lucy would also die one day, but Lucy is dead now finally. So in the second stanza it is clearly said that she has died. She lies still. Still means without any movement. So that they have buried Lucy under the earth. She is dead and she is lying still. Still means without any movement. So that she could not hear or see or feel anything. She is now one with the earth. So she is buried under the ground. Okay. So as you all know, earth rotates around its axis, on its axis. Same way, since Lucy is buried under the earth, she also rolls along the rocks, stones and trees. Okay, so the author cannot accept Lucy's death. He wanted to live along with her forever, whereas death did not allow Lucy to survive. So he was very sad. Hope you would understand this poem. So we'll get into the literary devices now. So first thing is rhyme scheme. So the rhyme scheme of this poem is A B C D C D. The next thing is alliteration. Alliteration. So the repetition of consonant sound is called alliteration. So here are two alliterated words. The first word is spirit sealed. The next word is rolled round. Next, enjambment. Very new to us, right? So when a sentence ends without punctuation, it comes under enjambment. So here we do have two lines. She seemed a thing that could not feel and rolled round in earth's diurnal course. Okay, so these two lines come under enjambment. So thank you, students. We'll meet in our next class.